Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before starting my video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do, and do not forget to turn on notifications as I'm sharing everyday great contents for you. Alright, in this lesson we're going to continue with while. Let's start declaring a new variable. Let's say number, integer, and set this number, say 1, and while at number smaller than, let's say 10, begin and print, let's say at number, and set number 1. Oops, perfect. Let me run, let me execute what our query, and I'm going to explain step by step what I've done. Okay, function 5, as you can see, it starts from 1 to 9. If I add here equal, we're going to see the 10 as well. F5, perfect. Start from 1 and finish with 10. Okay, I declare a variable which is called number, and it is an integer, and I add an initial value as a 1. So while is a loop, so it is going to run the command between begin and end until this number becoming equal to 10 or smaller it. Okay, and every time it run, I'm raising number one by one. So when it become 10, um, the loop is going to stop. So it is basically similar with the, if you remember our C# lesson, for we have a for loop, int e, let's say 0, and e smaller than 10 or equal than 10, and e plus plus. So then we jump in um, our loop, and we add our logic like print or whatever we want. Okay, this is similar for if we compare with the C#. Okay, let's make this section command line, and let's try a little bit complicated things. Okay, let's declare let's say result integer and number integer, and set number 1, and let's use while at number equal smaller than 5, and I'm going to set result I want my result I want to add my result. The number comes from here, every loop, and I would like to set my number I want my number raised one by one, and let's see the result. Print at result. So what do you think, what's going to result to be? I want this query For example, it start from 1 to 5, right? I want my numbers to be collected. I mean, add to each other. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Let's see the result. Print at y. I couldn't see anything. Let me have a look. Result integer. No, set result. Perfect. Number 1. Okay. The loop is started. Why I couldn't see the result? Should I assign this result as a 0? Let's assign this result as a 0. It's function 5. Yeah, we have to give an initial value as a 0. So 15 is the result. Let's try to see 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So 3, 6, 10, and 15 is the result. Perfect. You can um, you can try to um, create a new algorithm from this easy type of algorithms to make your how can I say uh, to make your to improve your viewpoint, how to use while loops correctly. Okay, let's make this create a command line. And how we able to use this while loop in our tables. Let's have a look our products. Select star from TBL products. Function 5. Products. Okay, we are in master. Let's use DB account. Function 5. We change our database. Yep. Function 5. Here we go. This is our product table. Let's find out the average profit from our products. Let me find out. Actually, I'm just going to go through with the electronics. Let's make a summary. Actually, I need the average of sell price, and it must be category ID S1. Actually, if you don't know which category is electronic, you can create a subquery. Select ID from TBL categories, where category no, not category, name, or what was the, is the title? I guess title, right? Title must be electronics. Let's have a look. Is it going to work or not? This is ID1. Perfect. Let's function 5. The average profit from electronics is 588. But I want my profit 800. So I'm going to use a while loop to increase my products profit, I mean sell price, for example 1% for each loop, and try to reach um, minimum for example 800 profit as an average. Okay, let's create an update method. Update TBL products, set sell price, and this sell price must be at every time sell price of 1%. Okay, so for which products, where category ID equal 1. or we can use this subquery as well. Control C, Control V. But I want this update section. I'm going to use it with while. Okay, so this is my result, 588, Control X and put it inside. Okay, it must be um, smaller than 850. Once our average reach 850, it's going to stop. Let's have a look if everything all right. Okay, let's add begin and perfect. Let's see the result again. I'm going to use function 5 now, but before that, let's open our product table. Where is my product table? Edit up to 200 rows. Okay, let's have a look our sell price. Function 5 for row affected. As you can see, there is a lot of row affected. Okay, now let's see the average of our electronics. Function 5, it's 858. It's just slightly bigger than 850. Alright, let's have a look at our product prices. As you can see, the price is gone up just for the electronics. This is how we using our while loops to adjust our prices, for example. Or you can decrease your prices, for example, 2 weeks later, if it's a Cyber Monday or Black Friday, you need to decrease your prices. You can use your loop for specific products. All right, let's make this section command line and let me have a look how many minutes have been done. It's 12 minutes. It's a small subject. This I'm not gonna uh, I'm not gonna move it more further. It's okay. Let's continue with the wait for. Wait for it is the same command. How can I say in C sharp? Uh, thread sleep command. Let me show you. If I select star from, let's tbl sales function 5. Just once I click function 5, click execute, as you can see, it appeared in 0 seconds. What if I want this table comes after, for example, 5 seconds later? So I am just using basically wait for. Is that wait for, right? Wait for, yeah. Delay 00 hour 00 minute 05 seconds. Function 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here is the result. This is how it's working. You can use this wait for delay to insert an object or to update it. You can, if you want someone to wait about your query, you can use wait for delay. Perfect. Alright, let's make this section comment and finish this lesson here, guys. Let me save my query. Let's save it. MSSQL query list for while and wait for. Alright, let's save it. Now I'm going to push it to my repository. cd desktop, cd MS SQL, check out development git add dot git commit double dash m, let's say while, and wait for lessons, and let's enter. All right, git check out main git merge with dev, and let's have a look our log. As you can see, main and dev branch is synchronized, and while and wait for lesson updated to our local repository. Alright, thank you very much for watching my videos, guys. If you like the video, I will be really appreciated, and if you have any questions, drop comment below the video. Take care of yourself. See you on next lesson. Bye bye.